right there in between the scoreboard and the pit entrance. Want to clear that so it doesn't cause any damage. Came off the 13 of Sam Harris. Restart, main event restart, side by side here at Meridian Speedway. Cone's going to be placed over there in turn number 3. Drivers get to choose the high line or the low line, and we go fender to fender to the green. Restart for the Project Filter Pro-4’S on a Neil Allen Fine Jewelry Race for Hunger 125, presented by ICCU tonight.